Good morning to all. Everyone, good morning. And today we are going to start the geography part of class 6. That is the Earth in the solar system. The Earth in the solar system. Means the chapter 1, this one, the Earth in the solar system. The topic is the solar system. So you know about the solar systems from class 5th onward. From class 3 to 4th and 5th, you know about the solar system, and you are very enthusiastic about the solar system because you are moving away from the Earth to see the whole galaxies and whole universe, and in the night time you see the broader way of the universe it looks, but we are very small things in object, we in the one part of the corner of universe world. And universe is so big and space full of space, so we can our imaginations not reach to that level. So slowly when the technology upgraded, the minds of humans also be developing slowly. So acquiring and to we are reaching in the further and further in the space. But let's see about the solar system. Solar system very interesting topic of the geography part, and that you read in the class in the science also chapter is the lot of about the solar system. So solar system is the main, the solar system, the head of the parent is the sun, and in our solar system this is the head of the parents, that is the sun, and around the sun all these planets are revolving. Means all these planets are revolving around the sun one after another. So this take the time, Mercury, Venus, Earth. The Earth is the third one, 1, 2 and third one. The Earth also revolve around the sun, and it is be completed, you know that it is completed in the 365 days. In these days, it will be total one complete of the revolution and reach to this point once again, and that we call the 1 year is be gone. So one completion means कि 1 year is gone, and the same time the Earth also do the two things. First it is be revolving around the sun, and second it is be rotate. Same time it's rotate itself also. Means it is be rotating like this. It is spin. You know, when you ball you spin it in the same way, the Earth also rotate itself, and that which causes the day and night. When we say that when it is be one completion of the rotations is a 24 hours past, 12 days and 12 nights. 12 hours days and 12 hours night is causes one single day, one total rotations of the Earth, which makes a one single day, and that is a one rotation is one single day, and one revolutions of the Earth around the sun is 365 days is called 1 year. And so you know that the solar system, the sun play a very important role, the holding all the planets. All these planets are being holding by the sun because there is a gravitational pull. This is a gravitational pull of the sun. So all these planets are revolving around the sun, and it is this look in the circular path. They are moving from one path, and that path is known as our axis. They are the axis one. This is the orbits, we call it the orbits. On their own orbit, every planet will be revolving. This path we call the orbits. Orbit of the Mercury, orbit of the Venus, and orbit of the Earth. In this way, the mass, all these planets are in that path they revolving the sun, and that will be also the time. If you come nearer to the sun, you get more heat. No, if you are this planet are get more heat because it's near to the fire. And so this planet are be lesser than this one, the heat are be received. In this way, Earth also less heat are received compared to this one. So if you are moving toward the sun, you get more and more heat. If you are away from the sun, you get less and less heat. And so that way causes the planet you find from here, this side, they are being more colder. In the minus 200 degrees Celsius, the temperature are being seen of this planet. But here in the plus. So this is the away from the sun you get more means cold, and nearer to the sun you get more heat, because the sun is the contents of the light and means fire. It's a fire of ball only, and the fire of ball, when it is we get the light from the sun. Light is the form of heat only. So it is be known as the sun is our head of our solar system, and other planets are with our family member. So we call the solar system. The Earth is the only the living planet, because as the living planet and all living organisms are being seen in the Earth, and this is we separate from the other planet in any condition. Because if you see other planet, there is no life at all, but on Earth only the life will be seen. And so the Earth is being seen in the blue planet also we call, because here the water is the 70% water is covered the Earth, which reflect in the receiving of the sunlight, the reflection which is coming out from the space, you can see it is be reflecting the blue color, and so the Earth is called the blue planet. And blue planet because of water, and water is the source of all living organisms. Our body also 70% water is contained. So it is very important that you have to be notice that the Earth play a very important role in our social system, or we are be there in the Earth because of life are the sun, air and water. Three things are very important. So can all organisms require this one to survive. And in the next chapters, in the next sessions, we are going to continue all this topic. So until that time, you see in the next video one, I am just going to make the next day. Okay, thank you for this.